Remove your tire, 21mm socket. Take the tire off. Loosen the jam nut. This particular one is 24mm wrench. Just get like one full turn. Good enough so that you can spin that outer tire end off. Remove the cotter pin on the outer castle nut. That is the outer tie rod end. Remove the castle nut on the outer tie rod end where it goes into the knuckle. This is a 16mm wrench. Now we're going to take a hammer, tap right here on that knuckle and let the joint fall out. Best thing to do now is we're going to count our thread turn, knowing that's how it came out, so we can keep the alignment as close as possible until we get in alignment. .15½. This is where I like to apply some copper anti-seize on this thread, so it helps out the team that does an alignment. Now it will embed itself inside the threads of the nut. Now I had 15½ turns, so I'm going to start it at my half turn. So actually it grabbed on the full turn. So we'll do the half turn at the end. So I'm doing 16 turns because I can't do that half turn. Look at that, I never even moved that knuckle. Now install your outer tie rod and castle nut. Take your wrench. You want to make sure that you can line up and see the outer tie rod end hole for the cotter pin in the castle nut. Make sure you get that. You always want to tighten it and not loosen it to make it line up. Install a new cotter pin. Make sure you pull it all the way through. I like to bring one over the top. There we go. One over the top. And then I just cut the bottom one enough so that it goes down over the nut. If you have any excess, try to cut it off, because if not in the future, you could actually cut yourself on it if you're unaware of how it sticks out when you go to work on your car. Tighten up your jam nut. Give it one good snug. We're going to remount our tire. The wheel torque on this car is 65 to 80 foot-pounds, and I'm going to go with 80 because of the high mileage on this car. One last time.